What's going on, everybody? Tanner with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. Today's video, we're going to be doing something I have not done before, which is going to be just agreeing to DM requests, because I get a decent amount of DMs. I've been better at responding at them, but a lot of people, they're like, Tanner, how come you never respond to my DMs, whether it's on Facebook or Instagram? And normally one of the biggest reasons is because people just waste my time. They ask for different things, they ask for help. Can you review my store? Can you mentor me for free? Can you do all this different stuff? I only have the same amount of time in a day as you do, so we both need to utilize it as best as possible. Most of the time, I don't answer DMs unless it's something serious where I can actually provide some value to someone, where someone asks me a question that is basically just selfish, you know, something that they really want to know and that they really need help with, and I can tell from that, and then I can approach them with either a video or just text them through the DM and answer the question that they want to have answered. So really, my DMs are something that I used to stay away from. Now it's something that I'm trying to stay a little bit more on top of it and answer DMs every single day. So what we're going to be doing is going onto my phone and answering 10 DM requests, not necessarily just saying hey, but actually fulfilling whatever they want, whether it's a store review, money, I don't know. We're gonna go on my phone and see what happens. I don't know what to expect. I'm sort of excited to do this, so let's go ahead and hop on my phone and help some people out, hopefully. And make sure before we get started here that you follow me on Instagram at Tanner, Tannerr, 2 R's at the end. So now we are on my phone, as you can see in my DM request. We're just gonna start from the top and see what happens. Guys, if you're gonna send me a DM, please make it more concise and to the point, because once I see this super long message, I really don't want to read it, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to read it. Alright, so basically, this kid says he has 5K. I'm not going to take his money. I don't need his money, but he says he just can't stand being under a specific place of having a boss, so he wants to figure out how to get to where he wants to be with success. So what I'm going to do right now, I don't live in Southern California, I don't really have the time to call this kid and, you know, help him out from step by step. So what I'm going to do is just give him my course for free, my program. There's like 80 plus videos on there that can help him, you know, at least get to a lot better of a place. Hopefully he's motivated and he actually utilizes it, because when people are given things for free, usually they tend to not take it as an actual value and they sort of just waste it. Alright, so I just messaged him back. As you can see, I said, hey man, thank you for reaching out. Unfortunately, I don't have the time to mentor you, but what I will do is give you my program for free. Hopefully you utilize it. Let me know if you have any questions. I sent him the link and the coupon code to get 100% off. Alright, so I'm scrolling through here some of the older DMs that I didn't get to. Usually most of these have a reason of why I did not respond to them or open them. But this guy says, send me $100, thank you very much. I love your channel. I guess English isn't his first language, but I'm glad you love my YouTube channel. It's your lucky day. I'm gonna send you $100. PayPal.me/Ariel22. Alright, I've logged into my PayPal. Here we go. We're gonna be sending him $100 USD. As he requested. I would normally never do this. Send payment now. Here we go, here we go. Congratulations, Ariel. Just send you $100. Alright, so I just responded to him. I opened his DM. I said, hey man, just send you $100. Please use it the right way, and send him a screenshot of sending the money. So hopefully he uses it the right way on some ads or something like that. But now let's go to a couple other ones. This guy says he'll be meeting me within a year and definitely will have a success story. Mark my words. It's pretty awesome. Awesome, man. See you soon. Always respect to anybody who has a hustle and, you know, believes that something's gonna happen. The law of attraction is real. This guy says, hey bro, what will be the ideal time to start a store for Valentine's Day? Honestly, there's no specific timing. I would say to start right around New Year's. You can do New Year's deals and then, you know, go on from there in about a month's time in order to get to Valentine's Day. Alright, so this guy, classic, asking for a store review. So let's go ahead and do this real quick on my phone. Everybody wants a store review. Nobody wants to focus on their marketing and actually things that are important. So this store is called Frippico. I know this theme, free theme. I like it as far as it's customized, the theme, as far as the colors. Most people don't do that. The logo I like is different. A lot of people don't make a logo. Catalog, about, frequently asked questions. You know, pretty basic setup, just a general store as far as I can tell. You know, it's basic. It is what it is. I guess what matters most as far as this goes is the actual product page. So multi-function kitchen tool. I like the reviews there, tax included. It's good. Social proof is there. You have a lot of stuff going on here. I'll try to minimize that. You have 2 people that viewed this item. You have Herify going on. You have the countdown timers, everything. You got the checkout badges. I would minimize that as much as possible. As far as those safety badges, I like to use them on checkout, because that's when people are actually, you know, debating whether they should click the order button or not. You know, I like to have the secure checkout there, not there on the home page. The reviews is good, you know, you have that all set up. What I would try to do is move your description way more up, because people are going to go on here, they're not going to want to scroll all the way down here just to see your description. I know on computer it's going to be different, but most of the time mobile is going to be where most of your sales come from. So make it easy to read, bullet points I would recommend, and just make sure that people can understand you. But now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait and see what these people say. We're gonna wait a couple of hours and then go back on my DMs and see what people are saying, see if there's any new DMs. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so it is the next day now. Let's go ahead and hop on my phone to my Instagram DMs and see what these people had to say and answer some new DMs and see what's going on. Okay, we are on my phone now in my DMs. Let's see. Oh, this guy got his first sale. That's awesome. $47.32. Your first sale is always the best feeling ever. I remember my first sale. It was just like a feeling of like motivation. Not necessarily important that I made 50 bucks or 20 bucks, whatever it was, but just the feeling that there's way more many people out there that will buy things from your store. So let's keep going. Look at this guy. This is the guy that I sent $100 to, which I would never. I know you guys probably watching this are gonna DM me now, ask for $100. I'm not gonna send you $100. This is just completely random. Let's see. This guy, I gave him the free program. So thank you so much for that. Is there any way we can get in touch if I get your number, do phone calls? Come on, man. I give you my program for free and now you're asking for my phone number. I never give people my phone number. For everybody that wants to know how much you should start for dropshipping or just getting into it, I would recommend $500 to $1,000. You know, that's a decent budget. Some people can do it with less, some people it takes more. Really, it's just about patience and actually minimizing your risk and figuring out, you know, what needs to be done in order to get to where you want to be. A lot of people are impatient and just burn through money very, very quick, which is very easy to do with ads, whether it's with influencers or Facebook ads or just spending money on random things that you don't really need for your store. You know, it's really easy to burn through money, but it's hard to make money. So yeah, just be careful. It says, thanks a million for replying. This guy asked about how to get a logo on a product and have a supplier ship it out, which they're not going to do. I just bought a few thousand units, and they're not going to put your logo onto a product unless you order 1,000 units or more, most of the time, depending on the product and the supplier you're going through. But most of the time, they're going to request at least 1,000 units to be purchased in order to put a logo on there, because it takes them extra time and it costs extra money. So he's asking sort of what he can do. He's only 14, so I respect that. Very, very young doing this. But he wants to have his logo on there, and you can't really do that with drop shipping. So I would just recommend to him, if you're watching this, just stay drop shipping for right now, figure it out. And if you can make money with drop shipping, then you're gonna be able to make money with a lot of other things and market your own private label brand in the future. So yeah, that's what I would do. I would stay focused, because right now this brand I'm building, you know, it started off as just winning products on my drop shipping stores that I now branched out to sell in an actual private label brand store. So this guy hit me up and he said he's struggling to make money and even buy Shopify courses to start drop shipping. I was like, man, you gotta make money somehow. There's always gonna be ways to make money out there. And I told him, you know, you don't really need a course to start dropshipping or any business in general. It's something that definitely helps and aids the process of learning and cutting the learning curve, but it's not something you necessarily need. So then a little bit later, look what he said. He said he started to wash cars for his neighbors, making 50 bucks a day. Pretty decent money for that. And within 4 to 6 weeks, he should have 1,000 to 1,500. Thanks a lot. I'll meet you someday, mark my word. Awesome, bro. That's great to hear. Congratulations. I'm glad you're actually out there taking the initiative. A lot of people don't take the initiative to go out there and make money. There's so many ways to make money. Just washing cars is simple. It's labor intensive, but it's just simple and it makes money. So, you know, that's what it is. Just building that capital, and then he's going to invest that money that he made into a business and basically risk it, because you have to risk money to start a business. I appreciate all of you guys that have sent me messages on Instagram. I'm trying to be better with responding to everybody and getting everything done. So I appreciate all of you guys. If you DM me and ask me for money, I'm not going to do it, but hope you all have a great day. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.